'89 Ford Bronco, hub assembly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Allen keys. Then there's going to be a Phillips head screw that retains this gear and spring behind it. Then there is going to be a C-clamp here, open pull, and then this C-clamp is going to be in the rim around the inside. And I dug it out with the pick, pulled it off. Then this whole thing's gonna slide out. Then there's gonna be a spindle retaining nut. You're gonna need special socket. And I already did this, but it wasn't that tight. Get that nut off. Now the whole thing should be loose, really, once that nut. It's gonna go, and there's gonna be a bearing. And then this whole rotor assembly is gonna come off.